KKR versus RCB match live 7:30 p.m. Jio Hotstar Star Sports. RCB versus KKR today match. Today playing 11. Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Kolkata Knight Riders playing 11. We playing 11 versus Kolkata playing 11. Bhuvi versus Trakshna. Today match 7:30 p.m. Nagpur International Stadium. Point table. RCB point table number 2 और KKR पॉइंट टेबल नंबर 8। RCB अगर मैच जीत जाए तो नंबर 1 पे आ जाएगा आज। हेड टू हेड मैच 3 RCB विन 1 KKR विन 1 ड्रॉ 1। विन पॉसिबिलिटी रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर 59 KKR 41। KKR टुडे प्लेइंग 11। Kolkata Knight Riders today playing 11. Number 1 Ajinkya Rahane captain right hand batsman. Number 2 Finn Allen foreigner right hand batsman impact player. Number 3 Ankit Raghuvanshi right hand batsman. Number 4 foreigner Cameron Green all rounder fast bowler. Number 5 Romeo Power West Indies all rounder. Number 6 Manish Pandey right hand batsman. Number 7 left hand batsman Rinku Singh. Number 7 all rounder Sunil Narine foreigner left hand batsman right hand bowler. Number 9 Ankul Roy fast bowler. Number 10 Kartik Tyagi fast bowler right hand fast bowler. Number 11 Bhairav Arora right hand fast bowler. Number 12 impact player Varun Chakraborty leg spinner. Match 7:30 p.m. 13 May 57 match Nagpur RCB today RCB best playing 11 RCB versus KKR. RCB playing 11 Virat Kohli right hand batsman opener King Indian King Virat Kohli. Number 2 Jackal Badan left hand batsman foreigner. Number 3 Devdal Patikal impact player left hand batsman. Number 4 RCB captain Rajat Patidar right hand batsman. Number 5 Tim David foreigner right hand batsman. Number 6 wicket keeper Jiten Sharma right hand batsman. Number 7 Kunal Pandya left hand batsman right hand bowling all rounder. Number 8 Romesh Shapad all rounder foreigner right hand batsman. Number 9 Bhuvneshwar Kumar swing king right hand batsman RCB topper. Josh the Boss Josh Hazlewood foreigner RCB right hand fast bowler. Shreyas Sharma right hand spin bowler. Impact player Rashid Khan right hand fast bowler. RCB possible 11 59 Kolkata 11.